Hey guys, are you looking drone with obstacle avoidance? In this video I will show you top 5 best drone with obstacle avoidance to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, CEVENNESFE, model number, F185, equipped with an intelligent obstacle avoidance system to automatically detect obstacles. 4K HD footage, record beautiful moments, upgrade 4K high-definition camera lens, restore beautiful scenery clearly. HD resolution camera allows you to clearly record your flight, great pictures of the moment. Upgraded aviation-specific materials are more durable. Folding design to travel without the burden. With foldable arms, small size, easy to carry, dual camera switch. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With Wi-Fi function can be connected app, APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. Intelligent obstacle avoidance on the front, left and right sides. Number 4. Brand name, CEVENNESFE, model number, AE3 Pro Max. AE3 Pro Max is suitable for every stage of use, powerful, and very small. Impressive performance, stunning image quality and creative videos are just a few clicks away. Explore a whole new perspective and capture the moments that make your life truly yours. Optical flow fixed point hover provides stable flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, APK system to take pictures/video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance up to 3,000 meter. Equipped with 3-axis self-stabilizing mechanical gimbal, maintains a stable balance during the flight, making the aerial photography more clear and stabilizing. Number 3. Brand name, JIMITU, model number, P5 Pro. This P5 Pro dual camera drone provides a fixed camera attachment and can be installed on a flat surface as well. A fixed camera mount with a folding design that makes it easy to transport. A remote control helicopter is a drone that will fly independently along a predetermined course, allowing you to fly back into your house with an only single command. The built-in return to home feature can help make your travel safer. The built-in return to home function can ensure safer flight. When the battery is low or the signal is weak, the drone will automatically and accurately return home without worrying about losing the drone. The large capacity 3.7 volt 1800 mAh smart battery can produce up to 15 minutes of flight time. The drone has 3 infrared rays to explore and avoid obstacles. Number 2. Brand name, CEVENNESFE, model number, S135 Pro, GPS Smart Flight. Never lose your drone. When the battery becomes weak, the signal is lost, or the one-button return button is pressed, the drone will automatically fly back to the starting point. The drone can automatically follow you in precise circles or around points you set. During this time, you can only focus on recording. Flight time and improved configuration. Smart battery allows approximate flight time 26 minutes every charge. Brushless motors have low power consumption and high smoothness. Thanks to the foldable design and custom carrying case, the drone can easily be taken anywhere. Radar obstacle avoidance. When you are flying, after turning on obstacle avoidance, our obstacle avoidance head will automatically scan for nearby obstacles to avoid. Number 1. Brand name, SHAREFUNBAY, model number, L900 Pro SE. The L900 Pro SE is a drone with folding arms equipped with an impressive 4K HD camera that records with high quality and clarity, and with which you will obtain brutal results. Its folding arm allows it to be picked up and stored very easily, making it the perfect unit to take on a trip and transport anywhere. The battery lasts approximately 28 minutes, so it will allow you to calmly take pictures and videos in your favorite places and return to the point of departure comfortably and without rushing. Undoubtedly the perfect drone for lovers of aerial photography. The newly upgraded visual obstacle avoidance system that can effectively avoid various obstacles and avoid collisions. Upgraded front and bottom high-definition cameras, you can freely switch aerial viewing angles. With 40 million pixel still photo resolution, excellent optical performance can record every unforgettable moment in your life. The drone will automatically return home autonomously when the battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range.